Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates.
So hello friend, welcome back to the channel. Today we were going to unbox Fiitjee tab, which is of Samsung company, which is tab A 10.1, and you can see on the back of the tab here is given the 32 GB LTE 4G LTE octa-core processor, 25.54 centimeter screen, and 8 megapixel AF camera, and 5 megapixel camera, and 6150 mAh battery. You can see it is the of 21,500 means price of it. So you can see guys, you can see. So there is nothing, and box is there. So let's unbox it. Here is barcode is given, and here that seal, and here the name is given. So let's open it. The seal is already cutted by the Fiitjee sirs, because that installing of the software of Fiitjee. So you can see this is our tab, which is come in cloth, which is pretty good, and the type C cable we get with it, you can see. And this we can get 7.5 watt charger adapter of it. You can see this, which is of Samsung company, and there is the box. Inside that the key you can see at the back, and inside that I think warranty card and the quick guide is there. So as you can see, so you can see guys, and there is nothing in the box, only this box contains this only, the cardboard to fix the things inside it. So we can take out the type C cable. You can see in type C one advantage is that we can put it inside the tab or mobile in any direction. So this is our main thing, that is tab. You can see. So now I am going to open it. You can see here the it is like some tape. It's has that can cover the mobile, and this is our tab, not mobile. So from the back you can see one camera is given. It has no flashlight. You can see also I had get cover from a Fiitjee tuition. So you can see in this, you can see one foam we get inside the cover. You can see here the lines are, it is of Edfora company, the cover. You can see that is the back. You can see guys, and the camera in front, that 5 megapixel camera. Here you can see the SIM we can put inside this, and memory card. So let's see this. So as you can see, it has one micro SIM card slot and one memory card slot. So you can eject it by ejector pin. So let's turn on it. So you can see here come that Samsung Galaxy Tab A powered by Knox, and that Android. So now the Samsung is come. So you can see guys, now our tab is on. You can see here this come that restricted by privacy policy something. So when we open it, you can see here is only the Fiitjee Fiitjee related apps. There is nothing inside this, like Google, etc. Only inside the I button we have the Wi-Fi and that options, data and extra, that you can see guys. You can see, and there is nothing inside this. That wallpaper is given. Success make the thing simple. Keep it simple. Success is easy. Keep it simple. And my pet is given. And we can't miss a swipe because there is no extra app. Only the tuition app is only there. And you can see guys, when we open the Zoom app and any app, you can see we can use only exit button. We can't use that recent app button and the exit button, means left hand side button and middle button we can't use. We only use right side button, which is exit button. So you can see guys, and you can see cover. So now I'm going to put it inside the cover. So as you can see, I had put the cover. You can see here mic and speaker. That speaker of given, and upper side that 3.5 mm jack that given for put it the earphones etc. And mic, for mic that one hole is given on upper side. And in the cover you can see 3 grip we had get of black color, on which we can adjust our mobile how to put it. So you can see, now I'm going to power off it. So hope you like this my unboxing. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. I will give my link in description of my old mobile, means old video of realme C2 unboxing video.